Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming ports and picking which screen you want to be primary. Plug both monitors into your GPU or use a powered adapter if required. Once done, boot Windows and open Display Settings to detect displays. Make one the main display for exclusive full-screen games so input and performance prioritize it. Set the other to extend. Also update your GPU driver now and restart, because drivers often fix detection and performance quirks before you continue. Now you fine-tune how both screens behave. In Display Settings, set each monitor's native resolution and refresh rate. Higher refresh on the gaming monitor preserves smoothness, while the secondary can prioritize clarity. Make sure scaling is appropriate so UI elements don't jump between displays. Once set, open your GPU control panel to assign which GPU outputs applications use and to enable game mode or performance profiles. Test by dragging a window across. If movement is uneven, tweak alignment until cursor travel matches physical placement. Finish by choosing how games run. Use exclusive full screen for max FPS or borderless window if you frequently interact with the second monitor. Set audio output to your headset or monitor and pin chat/overlays to the secondary so you don't obstruct gameplay. If you encounter stutter or a black screen, first reset cables and try alternate ports, then test with a different cable. If problems persist, roll back or reinstall GPU drivers. That single step often resolves lingering compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.